If you have no sales yet and want to be approved for a product promotion, you have to supply good information. Sometimes a good site, a good list, and good ideas. There are several mistakes and problems that cause affiliate requests and applications to be refused. What most product owners fear is having their brand linked to crappy sites or affiliates that have a rep of being spammy. In this video, we will look at the more frequently occurring things to avoid to get approved in no particular order. Don't choose inappropriate categories for your site or content. Really pay attention to this one. An illustration is don't associate your dating site with a health category. Spelling errors. I'm sure there are others that are disturbed by this. When you don't care how things look, why would I entrust you with the promotion of product? Wrong URLs. Missing sites. Site not found. It's never the first page you want the product owner to see if they're checking into the URL you've named on your profile. Missing disclosure. You have to have an affiliate link disclosure on your site, particularly when you run review type sites. Social market solely. When the sole URL listed on your account is your Twitter URL, your chances of getting okayed are really slight. Oh, and that obscene picture in your recent pictures surely doesn't help either. Too many ads. Affiliate pages, site overloaded with banners don't fly. Being vague. A one page that's vague text about a crazy money making opportunity, without any specifics of what precisely it is, means you won't get approved. No clarity. Make certain you educate yourself not solely about the affiliate marketing, generally, however also about the meaning of things in your affiliate account, particularly. Please request. When your application got refused, please put some thought into your follow-up request. Too many are simply asking to be reconsidered without supplying any reasons. State your plans for the promotion. There are better chances of getting approved. Bottom line, these are the essential to-dos. Include a full name and an email address on a domain of your own. The sites make it clear precisely how products are going to be marketed, and the text does jibe with the promotional methods indicated. Details of the incentive scheme also make sense. Next, we will look at how to create a squeege page to start building your list.